So when your relationship focuses only on one of the relationships in your life, a romantic relationship, instead of the dozens or like hundreds or potentially thousands of relationships with everybody else in your life, you're gonna lose out and miss. You're missing your focus, like optimal mark, quite a lot, to be honest. Because like a potential romantic relationship or a romantic relationship, if you're already in it, if that's your only focus, or if you're single and you're just like desperately whining and needing and attached to that special one person to save you or fulfill you, that's never going to work. That's more like treating an ego, which is fine. It's a state of maturity and development, but it's not the ultimate. It's not like you can have much more than that. So for me, my book that I've written is all about, not all, it's hugely about everything I just mentioned. It's about you're creating a 4 and 5 day high frequency relationship, romantic relationship, and and yeah, a deeply connected and intimate, joyful, happy, harmonious, love filled, happy, joyful relationship that's satisfying and rewarding. But it's also about your relationship, your 4 and 5 dimensional higher frequency relationship with everyone else in the entire world. People you bump into, strangers, people you come across, your friends, your family members, your boss, your employees, whatever. It's about everybody. And when you can mix, if you can develop your own frequency and consciousness so that it embodies and goes into and goes towards and out into all of your relationships, including your romantic relationship, then you're on a win-win situation. So please, I hope you thoroughly enjoy my superbly cherished and loved book that I love, that I've written to share with you in the world, and my video courses to come also. And I have other books also, so please do enjoy. And I hope this video helped, and have a lovely, lovely, lovely day.